You are on hot seat. You are ready to answer all the questions of your friends. Very nice. Who will raise the question for there? It is Dhawan. Dhawan will be raising. This side over. Now this side. You were on the hot seat. This next time still many days are there.
Hi dear, I have a question for you. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as scurvy.
Which vitamin deficiency?
Vitamin B1.
Hey, scurvy disease is caused due to?
Vitamin C.
That's what hot seat now will get tensed. Yes or not? You may be knowing, but will be in tension. Yes or not? Second bench. Anybody is ready from second bench? It is Preetham.
Name two foods rich in dietary fiber.
Which foods are rich in dietary fibers? All fresh fruits are rich in fibers. Pulses. Okay, fresh fruits, whole grains. Yes.
Name two foods rich in starch.
Foods rich in starch. Potato and rice. Okay. You will ask next or now only? Next time you will ask. Here anybody is ready?
Night blindness is caused by deficiency of dash is our food.
Vitamin A. If we suffer from deficiency of vitamin A, we will be suffering from a disease known as night blindness. Very good. Yes.
Name two foods
It is just now it is asked dietary fibers. Just now it is okay. It's okay. It happens. Okay, pulses, all fresh fruits, they are rich in dietary fiber. Yes, sir. Who is this one? Rochana.
Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet.
Is it true? If we can correct deficiency diseases by eating balanced diet. It can be prevented by having balanced diet. Very nice. What is your question? You are telling answer. You should raise question. Vatsala is ready. Good was.
Two foods rich rice.
Richa. Foods rich in fats. Wheat. Ghee. Ghee and butter are rich in groundnuts. Next, who is ready?
Deficiency of dash causes disease known as beriberi.
It's already asked. Okay.